Good morning mga co-finders. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa ating Pacific Town Villas kung saan napagkatasan po kami at pinagkatiwalaan po ng client namin na isang OFW na kami po ang mag-receive ng kanyang unit ng pagpili ng taxes. So, as of now, okay na po yung kanyang unit.
Always barbecue, cigarette barbecue, having 5 minutes.
No, I mean, you like those,
Yung client po namin na foreigner, asawa niya. Kami sa Pacific Town ngayon. Ano po ma'am? Yung ano pa? Yes po, electric. Apo, pag yan po ay naka-ano na po kayo, yung may mobile na, i-relay na lang po yan doon ma'am. Ayun po, hanggang nakabang na po yan.
yun na lang.
Pati po yung tubig.
My question is,
Yes sir.
I got from here
Yes sir.
until there, and I put it from here,
Yes po.
extension to be this.
Yes.
It's okay?
It's okay sir. Ready for expansion sir.
The point is it's already ready. Hello. And now I need to wind. Right?